Everybody, so today I got something pretty cool for us today. So yeah, I guess I'll show you. Woo! What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Good evening.
Hello.
So we got some motorcycles, which is my buddy's Aiden's.
Yeah,
He's a beast.
Yeah.
You're freaking nice things, right, Aiden? What do you think about them? They're good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're gonna be riding them. So first, I'm gonna run with Aiden while he rides it because he wants to look majestic in my video too.
Because I am, man.
Yeah, he is. He is. He's half man, half little child. Okay. Booty up. Here. Okay, so.
Like that.
I know. Okay, so.
I could hold the camera with my hand like this. Alright.
So. I'm gonna try to catch up.
It doesn't go really fast and then it starts picking up a little speed.
Bye.
You sound windy. Ooh, why don't you go grab your hoverboard if it's charged? I could ride the hoverboard and you could ride this.
Okay. We'll be back when we have the hoverboard.
Hey!
So, Aiden's down there on the hoverboard, and we're gonna get on the motorcycle. So, hopefully I can do this with one hand. Huh? Here now. I'm not gonna go like make some sharp turns or anything, so. Walk it down? Okay, here. Me and one guy get down. Okay. So we're going up. Gonna turn on the little thing. And we're going. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. There we go, guys. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, big boy! Hey! I can't stop it, so. Here. You wanna film me? Oh, I kept pressing that. Go. So that was pretty sick. Aiden's gonna film me now. So, there you go.
Damn.
Okay.
He's pretty damn majestic, guys. Razor sponsor us.
Yep. Sponsored by Razor.
I mean, it's not, but. Hi, Josiah. I mean, yeah.
Aiden's going pretty fast on a hoverboard.
I mean, I'm just cruising, bro. Razor, please sponsor us. Razor, please. We're both riding Razor products.
Oh yeah, we're both by Razor.
I mean, let's be honest, which one's cooler?
Yeah.
But this
we're
is.
gonna do a cool montage. So,
We're gonna do a montage.
Pause it.
Yep. In a world where anything's possible, Evan is riding a motorcycle. In a world where anything's possible, Evan Jackson is riding a Razor motorcycle. Please sponsor us, Razor. Yeah.
We only have 16 people watching, so.
Razor, sponsor us.
Yeah, only 16 people.
Spread the word. Email Razor if you have to.
Okay, your turn.
Because we need Razors to sponsor us.
Yep. Okay, so I'm on the hoverboard, and we're gonna get rolling, so. Well, I can't go that fast on the hoverboard because I'm a P word. I know, he's not even going that fast. Yeah, it's actually going really slow. This is how you get good footage. It's not like shaky when I was running after you. You know? How you get good footage?
On her car.
Okay. How we get good footage. We don't use like a drone.
Razor.
Yeah, we use another razor.
Razor sponsor us, please.
Yeah, here. Razor. No, you can't see it. Okay, here, I'll go down here and then you do it. It's coming up on us. Smooth. Is it almost dead? Okay. So, well, as you can see, it's almost dead, so we'll catch you in the next video.
True.
So, I'm Doofus. That's Aiden. That's a electric
It's a
motorcycle.
Razor motorcycle.
Razor motorcycle.
Razor, sponsor
This
us,
is
please.
a Razor hoverboard.
Sponsor us, Razor.
Yep.
Spread the word. Email Razor.
These are some slick shoes. Make sure to go get them in the description below.
And these are Converse.
Yeah, so
That is Superman.
I'm Doofus, and I'll see you guys in the next video!